I am going to show you how to make a mech and build a boat for treasure. Yet this is my first video, and I just asked my dad if I could make a YouTube channel. He said that if I show him, then I'll be able to make it. So first, make sure you have anchor block off. Then what you're gonna do is grab glue block here and place another one block far with it. One block. You can grab whatever block you'd like. I'd like to use titanium block. Now you can add these here if you want. Oops, I forgot to say hi. I shouldn't do that because, well, I forgot to say that I don't have a credit server. I don't want to buy one because for Choco and Yesty, but yeah, that's off topic. Now you build your legs like this. Now you place a hinge on like this. Now you place hinge on like this. So now, I'm trying to go back. Let me can I recording? Okay, there. Okay, then I'm good. Okay, this is now. You can build a head or a body here. Yeah, build whatever you want. I'd rather just build a space up here if you don't want to waste too much of your blocks. So yeah, over here. Then now take out a stool and place it there. You can go on here. Make sure you sit on it. And you need to make sure you have glue or cake block because you're gonna have to place a glue or cake block on it. After you place the glue block or cake block, whoops, I forgot. I'm not supposed to sit on here. Okay, so what? I'm stuck. Okay, now. What? That wasn't even the spot. Rage. Okay, now if you want to save this, then you gotta do this. Place the glue blocks here like that. Then place a button. That is so. Well, you can add hands there if you want. If you're adding a head. Well, yes. Now place this here. You can color it if you want. If you have those two all. Don't. Oh, now you click on the button. Bam. You can mute it. Why am I keeping the chat on? Never mind, I'll just close it. Okay, so now do this, and now I can walk around. Look so cool. Okay, I'm gonna color this black. Color this black. What are they doing there in the chat? No. Yes, I'm on mobile. You can already tell I'm on mobile. Why use the legs? These legs are so hard to control. Huh? Okay, now you can. It can't. It can't jump. Yeah, it can't jump, which is one thing. Oh yeah, that's it. This is a simple mech you can make. Let me just close this so I let's just whoa, let me just. It's not supposed to be there. Okay, this is just because I want to, and yeah, now. Whoop, whoop, woo. And that's it. Okay, bye.